Hello friends, I am Suraj. In this video I am going to share some checklist of points to perform an audit. We popularly know that special audit is a chapter in auditing and assurance of CIPCC. I try to give some checklist of answers for your question. If you are asked to write some important points should bear in mind while conducting an audit of hospital, hotel, school and whatever the name called, you just concentrate to write and remember part-wise answer rather than by hearting huge paras and lengthy points. Here you can find 5 parts that are preliminary aspects, incomes, expenses, assets and liabilities. It is suggestible to write at least of 2 points from each part rather than writing so many points from any individual one. Of course, yes, if you are asked to write about individual parts, you should definitely write all points about that particular one. Before going to this, imagine you are an auditor. You perform an audit as your own. You decide the right or wrong. You are giving an audit report. Before conducting an audit, you should study the constitute and the statute of an entity, study the bylaws, internal rules and regulations and all deeds. Examine the minutes of meeting for know about all authorizations. Evaluate the internal control system to know the style in flow of operations because there are so many controls. Finally, know about accounting policies followed and accounting records they are maintained. Coming to incomes part, here you can find how to audit incomes. Take any particular income from P&L account. For an example, rental income, receipts of sale of medicine, tuition fees and whatever the name it is. First you have to ensure there is no leakage of income. That can be achieved by maintaining proper bill systems under proper control systems and internal check systems and so on. And all income should be accounted properly and all interest from bank should tally with bank records. And finally all income should comply with the standards. Now expenses part. Entity incur any expenses only after obtaining proper authorization from appropriate authority so that entity maintain good expenses control. Such expenses should be utilized effectively and properly accounted. If any payment eligible for compliance of TDS, in that case, should ensure that TDS is deducted or not. And finally verify the depreciation is chargeable as per the rules or not. For assets part, you have to obtain schedule of assets. You have to see that ownership, valuation and physical existence of that assets. Ensure proper utilization and disclosure as per standards. And finally, for all intangible assets should be accounted as per AS 26. And final part is liabilities. Check opening balance of capital account should tally with the closing of previous year. Ensure withdrawal of reserves should be properly utilized as per the provisions. Balance of loan account should tally with the bank records and see proper utilization and accounting and charge creation and all. For all provisions and contingent liabilities, entity should follow AS 29. These are all some important points should also bear in mind. Obtain appointment letter from the entity, management representation letter for all explanations by management department, follow documentation concept and report to appropriate authority. Auditing is different from investigation. We have a popular statement accepted by all, and that is auditor is only a watchdog but not bloodhound. Finally, thank you for watching. Please like and share for more videos if you really like my style. I'm signing off for today. Thank you very much.